I'm just scared to go more because the rear bumper's like on the floor.
That's sick.
Yeah.
That's fucking dope.
We came down the city. We know of this little spot. We actually did the 3 Performante URUS wide bodies right here as well. We have this very, very special, exclusive 4x4 WideStar Brabus. This is the first one out of Brabus, Germany. So literally first one out of the main headquarters. It is the Arabian gray color, as you guys already know, which has been very popular for the new Mercedes-Benz. It has a red interior, but the kit, man. So we've done Brabus before on the 4x4s, but it was just a front lower lip. No flares, no fenders. You don't even touch the bumpers. You literally just add on that front lower spoiler. And we've done the hood, of course, because that just goes right on top of the stock hood. But this thing is WideStar, meaning it has the full bumpers, it has the full flares. On the WideStar, the all new carbon fiber flares that go on top of the flares. So a whole gang of parts. Rear spare delete, says Brabus right there. We inquired about getting the Brabus cover for the 4x4 wheel, the spare wheel, but they haven't made it yet. So we did the spare delete for now. The WideStar kit comes with also a lot of lighting. The running boards have lights. The front bumper has LED lights. We also opted to do secondary LED lights. The fenders have a little Brabus illuminated emblem. The front grille has the Brabus illuminated emblem. We activated the top roof lights. We added Brabus door sills, so whenever you open the doors, you'll be able to see the color. I hope it's unlocked. And I shouldn't have done that. As you can see, I'm behind the car. Literally, my foot barely fits. That's how low the back of the car is because it's tilted up. But Brabus illuminated door sills all over as well. Just show you. This car handled this. I mean, I don't know if this hill looks big on the YouTube or it looks small, but this is a pretty significant hill. I was driving and I felt like I was gonna flip over, so I stopped, but I locked the diff and it goes up like nothing. It literally, zero slippage. And this is on stock wheels and tires. We didn't change the wheels and tires. Customer wanted to leave that as is, so the OEM drivetrain, all of that is still good, covered, no problem. This is also the B700 package, so you get the Brabus tune with all the emblems, very prestigious, it's amazing. We have to add the electric side steps from Brabus. We haven't put that on yet, we have it. We're gonna be installing the electric side steps. We're gonna be installing an exhaust system. Also install Brabus blow-off valves. Yes, blow-off valves on the G Wagon because this is a bi-turbo engine. So really, really cool car. This is now worth probably over $500,000 right here. And like I said, this is OEM, original Brabus. There's a lot of fakes out there of the regular Gs, the Rocket editions, any of those. There's so many fakes out there, so be careful. A lot of guys are selling fake Brabus as real, and to the unsuspecting buyer, you would never know. So be careful of that. Only buy from authorized Brabus dealers like us. So there you have it, a WideStar 4x4 complete. I have 2 customers waiting for pictures. They want to do it as well, so let's get to work. We're back to the shop and we filmed this car, but we still have more work to do. Like I said, we're gonna be installing the Brabus electric side steps. This is a lot of the wiring that's gonna go to the side steps. As you can see, it has a lot of relays, light, because it has lights, front left, right left. This is each bracket. So all of these relays are gonna get power and controlled by the car to the running boards when you open and close the door, obviously. So we have some of the brackets on there now and the side step, but it is not functional yet because we have to do the wiring. As you can see right here, we have the side step on there. So Brabus, this is original Brabus stuff. This is the expensive, high quality stuff, not the aftermarket. It's fully Brabus. So We're gonna be putting that on this car. We already did B700 tune on it, so now it's tuned. A few more little tidbits, but this is gonna be the majority of it. And yeah, we're gonna be done with this crazy 4x4. We're gonna be finishing up the purple widebody URUS. We're gonna be finishing up the Hummer EV, and then obviously the major Liberty Walk Evo GT widebody is almost done.
You know what you're doing? Javier's working on these side steps for a long time already, and it's not easy to do. A lot of detailed work, right? This is original Brabus side steps. This thing is nice. I like it. Compared to the aftermarket stuff, it's terrible. I mean, yeah, don't put aftermarket if you have a car like this. This setup is about 15 to 20 grand, I believe. So it is a pretty expensive setup, but it is all Brabus. It's good quality. You're paying for quality, guys. Anytime something's a little bit more expensive and there's a big difference in price, remember you're paying for quality. So quality is a big thing. It lasts longer, it works better, and it looks much better than the cheap stuff. So yeah. Javier will be done what, tonight? Maybe?
Yeah. Tonight for sure.
Tonight for sure, he says. He has about 3 hours to go. Let's see what happens. What do you think about the Brabus steps? Looks good, huh?
One thing, this is good, but this guy is lazy.
It's Volkswagen.
This is not a Volkswagen.
Oh no?
No.
No, this is a Chrysler.
All right. The wide body is coming along almost.
One more.
Almost finished.
One more in your list.
One more. One more added to the wide body collection. That's Lewis's 100th wide body build.
You can move the tape, slow it down.
I can do it?
You do it.
All right. History in the making. Wow, feels good.
Go the other one. Go to the other one.
Look at this, baby. Look at how there's no gaps. Nice and beautiful. Good job, Luigi. I would assume you would do a good job after 100 of them. Nice. No gaps. Really nice. Sometimes it's good to comment employees when they do good work. I think when credit is due, it's important to tell them that they're doing a good job, so they continue to do a good job. Now, this is the worst tape job. There's 45 pieces. Why? Look at this. Terrible.
Pull down. Yeah.
The last tape, ladies and gentlemen, of this wide body is coming off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Wide body tape came off. That means all the moldings are done. They're dry, they're ready to go. And good job, Luigi. There's about 5 people taking off a wrap on the car. Santos, Daniel, that looks like Scooby-Dooby-Doo, and Sarkis. Oh, Javier is almost done with the wiring, man. Good job, Javier. Javier, make it to break it, Salazar.
Those lights.
He's doing good. When Javier wants to work, he works.
The one chip challenge, the one that somebody died off of.
One challenge.
Challenge errors. No, man. People die off of this. We're not doing one chip challenge here. Kids won't eat one chip challenge.
Yeah. Only thing is feather liner. This is mechanical. This is mechanical. What is this? Mechanical? Mechanical. That's not body. That's
body.
That's mechanical.
Why didn't you order that?
Huh?
Why didn't you order that? What's your excuse?
I was gonna order it today.
You were gonna order it. The car's been for 45 months. Stop following me around this stupid shit.
You forgot to bring me something from Legoland. It's gonna Brabus something.
I don't have anything.
You say, Javier, don't do nothing. You lose time, and blah, blah, blah. And you coming over here and make it lose his time. Why?
See, you're right. You're right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What happened, Arthur?
Fat bitch. He's opening the door and the suspension keeps going. Suspension keeps going up.
Somebody sent me a bunch of pictures of it and actually a video of it driving, like backing up and going on the street. 2-3 different shops messaged me saying they're building the car.
You have a video?
I have a little video of
Yeah,
it. Nobody's ever seen it before. And an anonymous person sent it to me. So yeah, I'll send it to you. You could post it.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!